Good morning and welcome to this video. If you find my videos interesting, please like and subscribe. If you find them helpful as well, please like and subscribe. Thank you. So today I'll be showing how to edit image by removing the background. First, come to your plugins here. Search for remove BG. So that's the one with the icon. This one. Yeah. That has like a purple icon or something. I already have it saved here. So if you save it first, next you click on it. As a new saved plugin, you must run the API key to use it. So you come to set API key here. You click on this. Probably it might not open because it might require you to sign up a new account. So first I'll advise you to come here and around, if you look here, you find login or sign up. So you click on sign up, follow the process. You can sign up using your email or your details. When you're done signing up, you come back here and come to this. Next, you come to new API key here, create API key, copy this, you paste it here in the empty field, and then you save it. And now it's set. So we'll find our image which we need to take away the background. I'll use pixels this time. I'll be working with a random image, therefore I'll create a frame for my image. Click on, let's use this beautiful couple here. Next, come to plugins here, click on remove background, run, then it goes off. Next, I come to this part of my screen, the right side here, remove the color, and it's set. Here we have it for our image background being removed. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification just in case I post new videos so you can follow through. See you in the next video.